What's up, guys? Today is, get that finger out of the way. Today is September 2nd. And we're getting packed up right now, headed to the Stewards Wild Austin chapter dove hunt, and let's see if we can kill some birds today.
I think we found a spot.
Hopefully.
I think.
We're just making new friends.
Getting a game plan together.
Oh, man.
Y'all here for the Stewards hunt, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So you're gonna follow him back down there to the field.
Okay.
Have y'all park up against the tree line on this side of the fence, near the big willow tree.
Okay.
And then Ty, our guide's about to get here, so.
Cool. Sounds good, man. I'm Brandon, by the way.
Connor.
Nice to meet you, Connor. This is my wife, Megan.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Awesome.
So, Megs, what you got there?
Got some new shooting glasses.
Oh, yeah? Where'd you get those?
Compliments of Bethany Bethard.
There you go.
Pretty snazzy.
See what they look like.
These metal frames are really nice. They're light. These are called the Falcon Pros. And they are pretty stylish
There you go.
and functional. I like the color. Ranger, Falcon Pros. I'm a fan. And then I got some new hearing protection as well. These are the Walker's Silencer R600 in-ear. This is the first time I'm using them, so I can't really say much about them yet, but they're charged up and ready to go.
So we made it to the dove field finally. We're gonna get everything unloaded from the truck and then get set up. But I did want to give a little shout out to 8 Gauge Outdoors. We picked up this Dove Wrangler at TTHA in San Antonio. We were down there. It's a cool little tool. You can set it up here like this. Use your foot, press it in. Has a place for all your dove and for your cup and probably a wallet or your hunting license. But I'm gonna put it to use with some archery practice too. So cool little tool we picked up this year. We always like testing out new gear, so this is gonna be one of the things we're gonna be using in 2024.
Whoa. Whoa.
Boom.
Safety got him. First day out.
Safety.
Well, you're used to it over and under.
Yeah. All right, pull.
Damn sure got almost up the swallow.
You ready to dove hunt?
This guy's style is hilarious.
Well, my string's broke. If anybody got an extra shoestring around here, piece of paracord.
There we go. Oh, you got both mixed up.
Need to be careful when they do get flat. You know, if they're high, they're A-okay to shoot that direction and go over the trucks. But when they get flat, well, we got to be very careful.
First one of the year.
Bird down. On this side. Oh, this is just too handy. That's so cool. We gotta get 2 of those. Your turn.
We'll try.
No pressure.
Yeah, with no bead.
Hey, I still got one.
We gotta fix this.
I've been shooting for years with that one. I don't know how, but it works.
And I need to get me a new shotgun.
Well, that too. You do not like that shotgun. Heavy old thing.
A5 Wicked Wing. I think I'm gonna try and pick up.
Close but no cigar. Unless I take a turn. Oh boy.
Look, I'm coming over the trees.
Right there, Brandon.
Coming over the trees, Matt! See him, Brandon?
Nope.
Birds all over y'all, on top of you.
Is he right above us? Here it comes, here it comes.
Nope, they went that way.
Shit.
Turn around that way.
You were like looking straight up.
That's where they were. They were right here.
Get him, baby.
I didn't want to shoot again.
No. Wait.
Vehicle's got in the way.
Oh, okay.
It was. If I'd have shot again, I'd have hit them. Tried to get him when he was right here.
You're being courteous.
Trying to be.
Nice work, gentlemen.
Here come two.
Negative.
Too far. I sent him that way.
It was a reach. You sent him to the other group. Being courteous again.
Nope, that's not one.
We've got a cardinal above us. Need a cleanup crew. Did you hit one? Did you lose visual?
No.
Damn. They want to come in like right over top of us.
Yeah.
Safety. Oh. Did you get it? Oh, over your head. That damn safety gets you every time.
Dude. Hate this thing.
Whoever wants to sponsor us for a new shotgun, we would greatly appreciate it.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Without safeties. As in over and under.
Don't hate on it.
You know.
It's the only one we got.
Shotguns are meant to be.
Hey!
Maybe.
Like I said, it worked just fine for me.
I guess I did hit one.
On the board. I saw it literally like...
Fall down? I didn't see it.
No, I asked you if you saw it fell because I saw it hit.
Oh no, I didn't see it fall. Nice.
Nice. Don't drop it. Jesus, that was such a pretty shot and then whoop. Two down. Oh, they're right.
Nice. One shot, one kill.
See, it works just fine. There we go. They're coming back around, they're coming back around!
Ooh, he's out there.
Was that hail? Something just hit my leg. That was weird. About that time?
Birds.
Oh,
Hold that.
not about that time. Damn, Topa Chica got you sidetracked. There's a group right there. They might come back around.
Is that it?
You might want a different one now that you shook that one all up.
Oh, it'll pop out.
The water of the gods. Bad timing, dude. Damn it.
You wounded him.
Should have waited.
Yep.
Got anxious.
But keep coming back to us.
Blowing opportunities.
Nowhere better.
It's all good. At least they're still flying.
Need them big groups in the 20s.
Oh, there you go.
I should have known better.
You should have gave it the spot instead of your cup.
Yeah. Oh well.
8 gauge. Get him out in front.
Damn.
Spray and pray.
Oh, man.
Hey! Oh shit! You got him. In the butt. Right over there.
Oh, he's hit. He's going down. You just gotta hit him in the correct spot.
Yeah. So how are we doing?
I think we're doing great. Birds have stopped flying though. So we have had, oh, that's a sparrow. Mostly sparrows and martins around us recently. So not as many dove anymore, 1 or 2 here and there, but they've been way out of reach. So about to call it a day. The rest of the group is gonna come over here and we're gonna have some poppers, some dove poppers, and they will have drinks, I will have water. But yeah, if you guys haven't heard, Baby McDowell, this is first dove hunt, so that's been pretty exciting. We're coming home with 3 birds, so didn't completely skunk out, which is nice.
We got some appetizers.
Yeah. Bugs are coming out. I'm done. These are good enough for an appetizer.
Yep.
Didn't skunk completely. The most important part.